Color is more than what we see. It's what we feel. It's the whisper in a sunset, the tension in a movie poster. It's the quiet comfort of your favorite sweater. And as designers, we're not just arranging colors. We're shaping the way that people experience the world. Hi, my creatives. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most powerful elements of graphic design, color. But instead of just memorizing rules, I want us to see color as a language that speaks both to the mind and heart. So first off, let's start with the color wheel. This is basically a map to the creative universe. It organizes colors based on their relationships and shows us where energy clashes. It shows us exactly where harmony rests and also where something unexpected might live. Let's start off with the primary colors. Those are red, blue, and yellow. 3 colors that every other color is composed from. If you mix the primary colors, then you get the secondary colors, which are green, purple, and orange. Mix them again, and then you get the tertiary colors. Blue, green, red, orange, and so on. But here's the beautiful thing. In color theory, every other color is made up from the primary 3. But in practice, all the colors have the ability to tell infinite stories depending on how you use them. The way us as designers use color schemes is to guide the mood. What we are looking at right now is an example of complementary colors, like red and green. They spark drama and contrast. And next we have analogous colors like blue-green. They flow together like watercolors. And next up we have triadic colors. These are evenly spaced on the color wheel. They create balance without losing vibrancy. These aren't just formulas. They are the starting point for emotional architecture. Because color isn't just decoration. It is emotional currency. For example, warm colors, they radiate energy and urgency. While cool colors, they live in calm and contemplation. Red can signal passion or danger. Blue suggests trust and stillness. And yellow is like a burst of optimism. Green anchors us in nature. These associations are centuries old. They are embedded in our cultural memory. Here's a quick story. Back when I was in university, I made a poster with a bold red and black color palette. I thought that it looked powerful. And then my professor, he took a look at it and he's like, why does this poster look so angry? It was not at all what I was going for. I hadn't even considered that. And that's when I really learned that the colors that you choose write the emotional storyline for the work that you produce, whether you intend for it or not. Let's look at Mondrian's bold primaries, almost mathematical in their confidence. Or Monet's soft palettes, it's like a sigh captured in a painting. These are not just random choices. Each hue is a deliberate act of storytelling. And the cool thing about all of this is the color's meaning isn't fixed. It shifts depending on the culture. For example, in the West, white is the color of weddings, where in many Eastern cultures, white is a symbol of mourning. Red might mean danger in one context or wealth in another. As a designer, understanding color and your audience could be the difference between creating something that is very meaningful versus something wildly offensive. And I know literally no one asked for this, but my favorite color combo is a deep teal with a mustard yellow. At first, I thought it was really strange and it wouldn't work, but then when I applied it to my design, it actually fit. It gave this vintage meets modern vibe that I just couldn't get from any other combo. It reminded me that sometimes the best color choices are the ones that you hesitate on for a second. Don't be afraid to experiment with saturation. Turn it all the way up to where it shouts. And then if that doesn't work, then you could pull it down till it whispers. Play around with letting one color dominate the other, or give them equal footing and see which one wins the conversation and the narrative that you're going for. Color is really like the thread between our eyes and emotion. The next time that you're designing, don't just think of it as something that looks nice, but kind of like you're a music composer for the eye. I hope this video gave you a new way to think about color. And if it did, please give it a like and go ahead and subscribe because I make videos like this every single week. That's all I have for you for now. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.